Hey guys, I'm installing a set of Alpha Rex Luxx G2 headlights, and the install has been pretty easy. I would say the hardest thing that I've found here is that trying to find the little plugs to connect the Amber DRLs, which should be easy to find, aren't. So I dug around in this compartment, which is where the instructions said that they were going to be, even got a high-powered flashlight. Looked around in there and I couldn't find them. So I opened up the other compartment, was looking around in there, and finally found them deep in the back, kind of sticking out on that side. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of hard to see. So once I found them inside of that compartment, I sort of push them back over into this side, and now I've lost them again. So here they are. So this is what they look like connected. But basically they're supposed to be in here. Mine were stuck over inside of here, buried deep down in. They're attached to this kind of group of wires here. So you have to kind of fiddle around with that, and then you can see them moving back in there. So maybe nobody else has had this problem, but I was literally wondering if I had the wrong set of headlights and they didn't have the DRL capability. So once you find those, they're literally two little plugs that all you have to do is just plug them together and then push all the wires back inside. And then you've got your two caps. The rest of this is super easy. The two caps just go back and twist back on. So hope that helped somebody that was having the same issue. Have a great day. Bye.